Whew. The neighbors are gonna hate me. Holy moly! That is a lot to take on.
That is 800 horsepower.
Oof. I mean, these engines are really tunable, huh?
Very.
You can really get high power. Here we are, guys. New York City, baby! We're gonna look at cars, especially one. I'll tell you more in a little bit. $40 for a mile and a half. No way I'm paying this. So we're just gonna get an Uber. It is freezing here. Way cooler than California. Alright guys, good morning. We are in the cab, heading to the dealership. I can't wait. I am so excited. I am so tired. I was so excited last night I couldn't sleep. That's pretty obvious. Today's a freaking good day. Today's car shopping day. Let's head to the dealership. Let's check out this baby. New Jersey baby. Alright, we just made it to the dealership. It's freaking freezing in New York. Whew. Volt Inc. The neighbors are gonna hate me. Oh my gosh, you guys! Woo! Ah! Holy moly! That is a lot to take on. What a machine! Animals crossing there. Guys, listen to this. That is Pierre approved. Ooh. Oh my god, the turbos! That's insane! Yeah. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! That is really cool.
Yeah. That is 800 horsepower.
Oof. I mean, these engines are really tunable, huh?
Very.
You can really get
Very.
high power. Good morning, what's up guys? And we are back to New York City. Today's the day that I will pick up the car. I'm so excited. What a commitment, what a lifetime. We're back in New York, Long Island to be precise. And today we're gonna pick up the new car. Guys, buckle up and come with me on that amazing day and that journey that is just about to start. Leaving the hotel. Whew. It's cold. It is cold. So yeah, in case you're wondering, we're in Long Island right now. Just need to get a cab to get to the dealership. Uber. All right. I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, we are in travel mode. I haven't told you guys what the car is yet. You're gonna have to stick later in the video to see. One clue. It's Italian and it sounds great. I guess I already told you. Maybe it's red. Who knows? I am so freaking excited! Yeah, stayed here, not too bad, for a last minute pickup. Yeah, the story is that it's cold. No, I was here 2 weeks ago. I came for the weekend, check out the car, test drove it, loved it. A few things had to be done to it. Re-PPF the front bumper. That got done thanks to those guys. They handled it pretty good. Yeah, a few things here and there. And then I had to work my numbers, make that happen. Yeah, and here we are, 2 weeks later, back again. And this time we're here to take delivery of the car. Yeah, that's freaking awesome. Woo. Wow. Oh my gosh, dude, she's so pretty. I am on the moon right now. Guys, this is it. Yay! That's awesome. I am pumped.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is a dream come true.
Beautiful, man. Absolutely insane.
Thanks. Thank you guys for doing the sale and working hard to make that happen.
Of course.
Really, really happy. He's old, you know. I mean, he's old. He's not that old, but he doesn't have any interest in. Goodies printed. Yay. First drive! Oh! I have no idea where I'm going, but I am going. Oh my gosh! I can't believe it. Ah! This is wild! Ah! First miles in my Ferrari. Woohoo! Yeah! Hey boy! Oh! Woo! Oh my god! This is insane. In my Ferrari. I can't believe it. This is just too good to be true. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it!